Tired of drowning in endless web pages when you just need specific information? Today, we're diving into how to use N8n to effortlessly search websites and extract the exact data you need. This is perfect for keeping an eye on competitors, doing market research, or even automatically gathering content. First, drag and drop an HTTP request node into your workflow. This node is our workhorse for reaching out to the website we want to explore. In the URL field, type in the exact address of the website you're targeting. Make sure it's the specific page you want to search within. Now, add an HTML extract node connected directly to the output of your HTTP request node. This node is our tool for picking out the data we want. Inside the HTML extract node, you'll need to use CSS Selectors to tell N8n exactly which parts of the page to grab. You can use your browser's developer tools to find the right selectors. Enter the CSS selectors. Next, pull in a function node and connect it to the HTML extract node. This lets us tidy up the data we've collected. Inside the function node, write a short JavaScript code to clean and format the extracted data. Get rid of extra spaces or anything else you don't need. Finally, add a console node and link it to the function node. This lets you see the final, cleaned up data in the N8n execution panel. Run your workflow, and voila, you've successfully scraped the website and extracted the data you needed. You can then adapt this workflow to work for different websites.